welcome a young budding entrepreneur who needs no special introduction. She's smart and charming and innovative and uniquely talented, as the entire Smart Gas family knows. So, with a warm round of applause, let me welcome Ms. Sadhana Muthukumar to present details on Footprints. It's a video presentation about Smart Gas. Footprints video presentation about Smart Gas. Over to you.
Good evening to one and all present here, and a very warm welcome to our respected chief guest for gracing this event with your presence. I'm Shadana, and I'm here to take you all through the journey and footprints of Smart Gas. Before we begin with our journey, we need to know some things about our founder, my dad. Many believe he was born with silver spoon, surrounded by full of wealth and richness. But in reality, he was an ordinary man who began his journey with just a diploma. His success is so remarkable that many find it hard to believe. One thing my father always used to say is, believe people. My mother and I would often tell him, Appa, you shouldn't believe people so blindly. But he believed people to such an extent that they don't even imagine of cheating him, and that was his strength. Because of this trust, I could see so many loyal people standing by him. And perhaps this is the greatest reason behind the success of his company. Not just business decisions, but the belief he placed in people. So moving forward, when I was just 7 years old, I saw my father working for this company. The idea came earlier, but bringing it to life took years. Years of saving, taking risk, and practicing thrift. One lesson I learned in this: to build something big, we must give it time. So during those years, I remember saving money. Money played a very big role in our life. Example, if the price was low, we used to buy it. But if it was high, even when it mattered the most, we just let it go. So price decided what we should buy. But today, we stand at a place where we don't just meet our own needs, but support those to achieve their simple joys, and that's something to be proud of, I feel. Now, let's start with the journey. My dad started the company on 27 September 2015. He tried to hire people, but couldn't find experienced people. In a time when no one believed in us, people who choose to believe and stand with us are Money Uncle, a taxi driver; Sendil Uncle, a fresh diploma holder who was doing farming in a village; Vignesh Uncle, a fresh engineer; Kannan Uncle, the one and only person who had an experience in gas field; and finally my dad, a person who just had an idea but with 0% knowledge of this business. Starting a company in such a specialized field without any personal experience in the gas business and reaching the level we have today is truly a remarkable milestone. When Smart Gas began, no one was ready to join us. But today, we receive hundreds of CVs daily. During the first 3 years of the company, there were nights and days when I used to cry to my dad, Appa, let's go back to the normal life. I don't like this. I don't think we can handle this. So basically, when my dad was an employee before, we were leading a very peaceful life with a fixed salary. He used to spend time with us. But it all turned upside down when he started a company. I felt he was going away from us. He was too stressful, and I saw him begging the employees to go to work and pleading them. And obviously, as a daughter, I didn't like that. I wondered if he had ever made a mistake. But the way he would encourage me is that great journey comes with hardships. He used to always say that, Papa, there will be a situation where we can buy whatever we want without any second thought. And I think he had made that. What truly shaped this company was my dad's determination and his courage to take risk. His bravery in facing every challenge is what brought us to where we are today. A principle he firmly believed. We can afford to lose money, but we can never afford to cause loss to others. I didn't understand that time, but after 10 years, I did. There are only few companies in Dubai that has been maintaining its account payable as zero. And as a financial student, I'm proud to say that account payable of Smart Gas is almost zero. This was our first car. So, when we bought our first car, not a single distributor was willing to offer us loan. A Chinese car brand was the only one that believed us during that time. But today, banks and distributors are competing to invest in our growth. And currently see the cars we have. There's actually music behind this, but so this was the first project. We don't even get an inquiry that time. We used to knock everybody to give us a job. None of the door was open. And now in Dubai, we are receiving almost all the project inquiries in our email automatically. These are the remarkable projects we have. So this is the first filling. And there's a story behind this. This was the first project for filling the gas. And they had to give us some money. And it was just 700 dirhams. But to get the money, my dad had to visit the restaurant many times to get the money. And they treated him without dignity and respect. And it hurted my dad. And we finally got the money only after my dad called the owner. And after this much struggle only, my dad got this job. We did this using a third-party tanker. But now, there are currently 4 tankers on the road and 3 more are in the process of being dispatched. These tankers belong to us and not operated by the third party. Another memory. First time we had ordered 100 pipes and that's a big order. It came in a pickup, but Money uncle and Sendal uncle was not there at the moment for unloading the pipe. Then my dad asked the driver to unload it, but he said it would cost 70 dirhams. Can you identify who is unloading the pipe? It's my father. For what? To save the 70 dirhams. These are the only clips we have to show the struggle of my father and the Smart Gas team. But there are many struggles throughout the journey. Actually, he doesn't work anything in our house. He doesn't even move a cup from one place to another. But for Smart Gas, he went beyond our expectations. I'm thankful for Smart Gas for providing us that my dad is far more capable than we ever believed. This was our first anniversary. Earlier, salary time was always a struggle. Every month with a payroll of just 20,000, it was extremely difficult. He often had to borrow money from his brother and others just to meet the need. In contrast, today, we are processing a payroll of 650,000 easily, an indication to how far the company has come through hard work and a vision. And now you see in front of you the Smart Gas team. These are our Smart Gas branches. Dubai, 1st September 2015, Ras Al Khaimah in 2019, Al Quain, Ajman, Fujairah in 2021, and Abu Dhabi 2022. So Smart Gas divisions. So we are having around, 9 divisions. Mr. Sajid uncle for the gas projection, Safir uncle LPG filling division, Deepak uncle for fire division, Sendal Nathan uncle for Abu Dhabi division, Sadiq uncle Ras Al Khaimah division, Praveen uncle for trading, Munish uncle for the restaurant divisions, and Bakar uncle for gas operations, and Sajid uncle for sales. When I was in 9th grade, my parents and I had a talk about my career. One firm decision we took without any confusion is to go with finance. And this was mainly because my dad always used to say, finance is a critical element in a business as well as in a personal life. And my dad struggled without financial knowledge. So being an accountancy student, I would like to present only the revenue growth of Smart Gas. And you can see, the first year 2016, we had just 800,000, and now in 2025, it's around 55 million. If you look the graph clearly, you can see that there's a 70% growth over 2025 as compared with 2024. This growth is mainly due to the filling division led by Sabir uncle and fire division led by Deepak uncle. Thanking both of them. Wherever you go, you can at least find one building done by a smart gas. Success is not a one-day story. It's a journey of hard work and consistent efforts. And Smart Gas is on the right track. Special thanks to my mom having a rough and tough man as her husband and supporting him during tough time. And my sincere thanks to the Smart Gas team. It's because of this team my dad is stress-free and we are leading a peaceful time, spending more time together. I hope this team will take care of us in the future. So be with us and let's grow together. Thank you.